Hello, friends. Today I'm going to talk about the Gari social token, which is the in-app social token for the Chingari video app. Why Chingari is the next big thing? This is the the Gari white paper at Gari.network. So it states world's first Web 3.0 social app. It's the most inclusive platform. It's a global brand as well as it talks about why Gari social tokens are the future of community platforms of creator monetization. So as you know, a lot of creative platforms like Facebook and Instagram, they don't pay creators for their creativity. And that's where Chingari is paying its creators and users through their Gari social token. So at Gari.network, you can find the white paper for Gari, which explains the entire mechanism as to how they are rewarding their creators as per an ecosystem that they've created for the creator economy. Overall, it looks like a great opportunity for a lot of creators around the world to earn passive income through the Gari token distribution. All right, this is again also a big battle against the big tech, like I said earlier, and like what they are saying here. Media hegemony of big tech is seen by all users as they see users as cash cows, stripping their full collaborative potential with creators. So these traditional Web 2 content platforms disregard content creators as a vital part of a platform. Uh, Nor do these platforms consider creators as collaborators or co-owners in the platform. That's where Chingari comes into the picture and is distributing the profits amongst its creators and users as well. So you can go through this white paper at Gari.network, and you can look at all the opportunities available for the creators and the users for the Chingari app. If you wish to explore the Chingari app, you can find the download link in the description below, and in that way you can support my channel as well if you sign up to Chingari through the link in the description below. If you have any questions, you can put them through in the comments and I will try to answer them as soon as possible. So let's go ahead and join the Web3 social graph as soon as possible. All the best.